gonna be intense. So we got another chance hope battle here. But yeah, man. So we got possessed Zest Achilles taking on Blizzard Thrasher. So, so we're starting to see the ceiling on this Achilles, and we're also starting to see the ceiling on the stamina mode. So I'm gonna leave it in the defense mode, and double O extend plus in the defense mode. Blizzard Thrasher. So it's gonna be intense. Blizzard is okay. It's not really one of the strongest BU plus phase or BU plus phase, but it does pack a punch for sure in a major way. So yeah, so we'll see how it goes. It's gonna be in that defense mode, starting it off, having that attack. All right, look at it. Yo, the defense mode, and it goes down, yo, the stamina. Getting shut down in defense mode. Alright, that's one. Blizzard break. Achilles. Now, possessed break. But Blizzard. Bro, Blizzard ain't hope, bro. Dude. Blizzard Thrasher. Hanging on with the stamina. Alright, that's two. If it goes down, then we're already going to be going in the attack mode for it. Okay. And damn it. No, you're not. You're not doing it today. Oh my god. I'm definitely redoing that. Alright. It is 2-0. If Achilles goes down, we're switching it into the attack mode for it. Zest break. Oh, big hit. But the attacks. Man. But this Blizzard. This freaking Blizzard. Okay. So now, we're going in the attack mode. Okay. Not that bad, though. Alright. Boom. It's still 3 points. Now we're just gonna go in the attack. Oh, big hit. Big hit. Yo, big hit. Big hit with this Blizzard. Dude, this freaking Blizzard, bro. I'm telling you. Also, I did give it a BU plus mod as well. That is 4. Damn, bro. I might just have to put it in the stamina mode. I'm kind of curious. What will happen if I put it in the stamina mode? Alright, boom. But that's already 4. Yeah, man, Achilles. Now, if Achilles goes down, that's already 4 across the board. So, we're definitely starting to see the ceiling on this thing's power. And Blizzard in general is not really that. It's not really that bad. It's like average. So we're definitely starting to see the ceiling on this thing's power. All right, big hit. Oh, big hit. But Blizzard is taking those hits. All right. And as y'all can see, it only lost 1 slope. So what I'm going to do is, I'm kind of curious. I'm going to put it in the stamina mode. If it goes down with the stamina mode, then I'm calling it. I'm kind of curious what would actually happen. But, yeah. If it goes down with the stamina mode, then that's it. Damn. Alright. What in the truck was that? That was not even a good launch. What in the rubber ducking is going on? Alright, boom. And Achilles. There we go. Alright, so now we got it in the stand mode. Uh-oh. It's like 6 points already. Blizzard, and Zest. Achilles takes it. I'm telling you, dude. this stamina mode, it's good for some things. Alright, that's 6-1. Still got a lot of comeback to do from this Achilles. Alright, that's 6-1. Gotta be honest with the attack. But Blizzard, no, Blizzard is taking it. It's taking it, but it gotta watch out for stamina. And this freaking Zest Achilles, dude, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, bro. 6-2. I'm telling you, this thing ain't playing. This thing ain't playing. Oh, big hit. But Blizzard. Can Blizzard take it? I don't know. He's trying to get off balance, dude. This is intense. This is intense. And Blizzard takes it. Alright, that is 7. I'm going to 8 points. I'm going to 8 points. So, if Blizzard takes the next point, then I'm calling it. I'm going to 8 points. The 8 points is over. And damn it, no, you're not. You're not doing this, god dang it. Alright, come on. Come on, stop being the douchebag. Come on. Alright. Blizzard, break. Zest, break. Alright, there we go. Alright, big hit. Oh, Achilles. Achilles is throwing Blizzard off balance. And this freaking Achilles. Alright, 7-3. Alright. Boom. 7-3 is trying to come back. Trying to come back and win it. He's trying to come back and win it, but the attacks. Oh, Blizzard. Blizzard gotta keep his balance. Uh-oh. And Blizzard takes it. Yeah, man. That's it. That's it, man. 8-3. That was absolutely a dogfight, bro. But this Blizzard ain't playing. So, yeah, it looks like we're seeing the ceiling for this thing's power. So, it literally lost 4 times with all the modes in the right rotation. There is still a left rotation. I might have a couple of rematch battles in the left rotation. So, yeah, I might do a couple of rematches in the left rotation, but we are seeing the ceiling for the right rotation. So, yeah, man. So, damn, bro. But Iger really tried up against Chance Hope, but Chance Hope got that payback in a major way. But anyways, yeah, man, Blizzard Thrasher taking the win over Zest. Possessed Zest Achilles. Damn, starting to see the ceiling on it.